How are you doing today? So excited. It's another amazing day with Mayowa. We're going to be working session today. You're welcome to analysis, and today we're focusing on Forex. If this is your first time, you want to make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the like button. And also share on both the on both the Facebook platform and also on YouTube platform right now. Help other people see this. Okay, super excited. How are you doing? And tell me where you're joining from. How's your trading been this week? How's your trading? Tell me. I mean, Alex is joining all the way from Lagos. Good afternoon, Alex. Let's share. Let's share. Let's share. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Afternoon. Good afternoon. I'm live. The gen is not on. What's happening? That means this thing will disconnect. So tell me, how is it going? Good afternoon, everyone. The network, we had a technical itch in the office right now, and the technical team are on it. So I'm connecting from my phone. So currently, I can't share my screen right now. So we might have to reschedule this session. Uh, there are some cables that are exposed to, like, they are melting. So there's an electrical challenge right now, but it will be sorted. But how are you doing? That's part of unforeseen circumstances. I would have not come live, but we're good. Is it my network or something? It's breaking seriously. I think it should be fine now. Good afternoon, Michael. How are you doing? Can you guys hear me? Doris Alao, good afternoon, coach. Good afternoon, madam. It's been a long time. How are you doing? Okay, fantastic. So we'll go on the break right now so that they can fix the electrical issue. So once they fix the electrical issue, um, yes, the floor of my office has an electrical issue right now. Okay, well, we've started already. So should I take questions, or we adjust or postpone? Which one do you prefer? I can take your questions. I can recommend. I can do all of that right now, but I can't share my screen because I'm not on my laptop. I'm broadcasting from my phone. Yeah, so I'm broadcasting from my phone. You know, the camera is looking at me, the lights, the laptop, but I can't do anything right now. Okay. So what do you recommend? Should we come back for the analysis later, maybe tomorrow? But tomorrow is on cryptocurrency, because a lot of people are disturbed with the position of cryptocurrency right now. And I'm not happy because people are FOMOing, right? People are FOMOing right now. Okay, so yeah, so maybe in a couple of hours we could be back. Then we can check the chart together. Are we good? So Emokai Fine says we should reschedule. Any other person seconding? Hey, we have Alfred. Alfred, how is it going? Alfred Taban. We have Okwete Ova from Houston, Texas. Oh, fantastic. Good to have you. Hannah, good to have you. Wow, a lot of people are connecting. Yes, we should reschedule. Okay, fine. Okay, so can you imagine? Alex said we are patient. We are patient traders, and we are patient people. I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. Great. Okay, so since everybody is in alignment with rescheduling, so let's reschedule so that the electrical team will come and fix it. And if they can't fix it today, then we'll do tomorrow. So let me round up with this with you guys. Why are you trading Forex? Tell me. Tell me why you're trading Forex. Maribel. Tell me why you're trading Forex. Tell me why. Why are you trading Forex? Why? Tell me why. So Anna said, build or add to my capital. Okay. Good reason. Not a bad one. Tell me. Why? Financial freedom. Financial freedom is broad though. Financial freedom is broad. So, financial freedom. Someone say financial freedom. All of you, financial freedom. No. Don't trade Forex because of financial freedom. Don't trade Forex because of financial freedom. Don't trade Forex because of financial freedom. Because financial freedom is broad. Number one, Forex is a financial freedom vehicle. And what it does is to multiply your money. So number one, Forex is a multiplier. So because a lot of people say they are trading Forex because of financial freedom is broad, so it's very hard for people to achieve it. So I would like to educate you that you should break down your financial freedom. So inside financial freedom, what do you want to achieve? Can we go? Fantastic. So that means that God bless you. So Benjamin said, to multiply my inflow. That is the number one. Because I've seen people who want to have financial freedom, they don't have the understanding of what Forex is all about. So Forex is all about a multiplier. So I work and I make $600 monthly. Where can I put, how can I multiply my inflow? That is why you are trading Forex. But when you say financial freedom, is really broad and it does not help you to achieve your goals. So what I would recommend is that you need to break down the reason why you want, what are the things in financial freedom that you want? Samuel, what are the things inside financial freedom that you want? Let's go. Tell me, what are the things inside financial freedom that you want? There are things inside financial freedom that you want. Because financial freedom means no goal. No, it doesn't work that way, guys. Alex, time freedom. Yes, you want time freedom. Fantastic. Good. You want to be able to control your time. That's it. So, but when you say financial freedom, it's too broad and you cannot set a goal with financial freedom. So can we break it down to number one, what is paramount to you right now? What is paramount to you right now? Ekundayo. Alex, what will you buy with money that is expensive that Forex can buy for you? What can you fix? What can money fix that is expensive? I'll give you blow. Ekudayo is even making it complex. To be a blessing to my world. Lie. That is why you are struggling with Forex. Travel the world. That is becoming it. So, come on, guys. I need you to, if I'm making sense, type in I'm making sense. Type in making sense. Because this is, I think I need to do a two sessions on this. I need to do a deep session on this. I want to spend time with my family, and that is why I need financial freedom. Classes is still broad. Okay. Come on. This Benjamin is thinking my thinking. Start up my own business. You are thinking my thinking. Benjamin. Thank you, Samuel. Samuel, you are talking. Samuel MBB says to build a comfortable home. Good. That is what you want to do with Forex. Maribel said, go into real estate business. This is what, I tell you, if you go into Forex trading, listing all of this, it will make sense. Good. Time freedom, finance multiplication, asset purchase. God bless you. You are talking. So Gozier said to have a side inflow to support. Fantastic. Now you are talking. So let's go deeper right now. So you want to start a business. How much is the business? You want to start life. How much is life to you? How much? Hi. To build a comfortable home, Samuel Imbibi, how much is a comfortable home? To start my own business, how much is your own business? How much? Because if you don't know the numbers, you can't grow the numbers. You see, the reason why you are struggling with Forex is because you want to make unlimited money from Forex. So take Forex as a vehicle that can give you your goals. That goal will now give you financial freedom. So your goals are inside your financial freedom, your goals. So Samuel Imbibi says 10 million naira. So let's convert to dollars. Convert it to dollars. Don't mention dollars. Don't mention naira. Convert it to dollars. So Gozier says 30 million naira. Convert it to naira. This is why you are struggling with Forex, guys. Because your goal is open-ended. Now, guys, show some love now if I'm helping you today. This is unscripted, so I'm talking from head. It's unscripted. I'm talking from my heart to you guys. Fantastic. So Mirabel says 60,000 euro. Is this euro or pounds? I think this is pounds icon. Fantastic. So Samuel said $16,600. Good. Now, how can Forex deliver this money? $60,000. So how can Forex deliver this money? Tell me. This is how to achieve financial freedom. It's not that your goal is financial freedom. Because if you say your goal is financial freedom, that means that it's unlimited. And when you fund your trading account, you're going to be struggling with it because you don't even have a goal. Yes, Alfred, that's it. Thank you. So, can you go and ask? Good. So you need, Samuel Dumas says you need $200,000 for farming. Fantastic. Fantastic. Good. So if you want to grow, if you need 60,000 pounds to get that real estate investment, how much is your startup capital to raise 60,000 pounds? How much? Mirabel or Marybel, some or Mary Billy. How much? You need a startup capital to raise this $200,000. Samuel Oduma. Because this is why you are struggling with Forex. You are trading Forex with an unlimited goal. So Ariago Benjamin says $500. That's what he needs. So how much is your capital, is your startup capital that you want to multiply to achieve this? So let's say, for example, I want to buy a house in UK with 150,000 pounds. So what I tell everyone in our community to do is go and raise 10% of how much you want to raise, or 5%. So you need to raise 5% or 10% of the total amount you want to make. So if you want to raise, so Mirabel goal is 60,000 pounds, and she has a startup capital of 500 pounds. So how long do you want to use this? Do you want to grow this to achieve that? Sincerely, it's going to be a while, like a while. But is it possible? It's possible. So can you 10x? Can you 10x $500, 500 pounds? Let's 10x 500 pounds. When you 10x 500 pounds, how much will that be? Mirabel. If you 10x 500 pounds, how much would that be? Aki Anko said, this is raw, sir. Yes. This is how I have achieved what I have achieved. Thank you so much, Isaac Akingbala. Oh, did you mean it's not showing on LinkedIn? LinkedIn people, we apologize. Our LinkedIn audience, we apologize. So a lot of people, they come into the Forex space and they miss out because they don't set a goal of what they want to do. Peter Imbugwa says, mind blowing. Thank you so much, my brother. So don't let your goals, don't be afraid of your goals. So I want to buy a property in UK is 150,000 pounds. I need to raise an average of 5% of 150 pounds or 10% of 150 pounds. then I can now drive it. So I can now 10x, I need to 10x twice. That's what I'm doing right now. So there was an event that I partnered with my wife. We we hosted almost 1,000 people, 1,000 youth and teens. And that project was going to cost us some good millions. So I funded for that project and I traded for it. And I was able to trade and I met that goal and I withdrew the money and I funded the project. When you start trading that way, you will become successful and you begin to number your goals as you achieve them. So Mirabel says in 10x $500 is 5,000 pounds. So can we 10x twice, Mirabel? Can we 10x twice? So you fund with 500 pounds, use your strategy, pick the entry on monthly time frame, 10x the 500 pounds to 5,000 pounds. Once you meet that goal, then we 10x 5,000 pounds to 50,000 pounds. That is how to get that real estate project. So Owolabi says, this is very deep. Thanks for sharing, my lovely mentor. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome, my brother. Hey, Peter said, I'm beginning to love Forex. I mean, this is mind-blowing. You're welcome, my brother. I'm excited you love Forex. So because if you don't understand the reason why the project, you're going into a project and how to achieve the goal, then it means that you don't have any goal set. There is nothing, there is no goal. So it's just open-ended. And because it is open-ended, you're going to be struggling. And because it's also open-ended, you will be taking some trades you are not meant to take. And this will keep disturbing you. It will keep disturbing your mindset. So, can we pick one goal together today? Type in the most pressing goal and the amount. Type in, I want to buy a house, the amount. I want to buy a car, the amount. Whatever is your pressing goal right now, can you type it in? Can you type it in and the amount right now? The pressing goal that you need to trade for. The pressing goal that you need to trade for. So Ekundayo said, which I know all of this before now, but it's not late. Thanks for this info, sir. I'm excited that I can help you. I am excited I can help you. So can we do this together? What is that goal you want to achieve that will give you financial freedom? How much is it? Then let's go and raise 5% or 10% of it. And this is why I tell people, you don't trade Forex full time. You need to get something doing. You know, I said that in my book, The Financial Market Code. I said that in my book. In the Financial Market Code. I said that in my book. Don't trade Forex as a full time so that you can use other ways to generate capital, then you can multiply it. God bless you, sir. Kwanka, Julius, I think Kwanka is from Cameroon. Amen. Thank you, my brother. Samuel Duo said, I heard this from you in 2019. Since then, all my projects and ideas are written. Fantastic. Thank you. So I have an amazing question here. Can day trading achieve your goals for you in 1 year? For example, if you want to save every money you will make in a year $16,000 for business, $10,000 for marriage. Now, sincerely, day trading has not helped me. Daily trading has not helped me. So maybe I am not in the right shoe to tell you that day trading works. So if you are a day trader, you want to look for people who trade daily and check out how it works for them. But personally, day trading makes me really busy and I trade so many trades. So that's why I grew into swing trading. And I didn't come into swing trading overnight. I grew into swing trading. I kept on growing. So, but can you achieve $26,000 in a year? Guarantee you can. You can. Mirabel said, wow, this is an eye-opening. Thank you, sir. Thank you too. So guys, you want to make sure you share. Make sure you click on share on Facebook, share on YouTube. Make sure you like, because it's going to help our algorithm to help other people see this. A lot of Forex traders don't tell you this. They will only show you their money, the money they are making, which is very good. At least it motivates you to know Forex, but it doesn't give you what you want. Okay? The alpha and omega of Forex, new to your channel. Hey, really? Thank you so much. Hey, Mr. Ayo, how are you, sir? It's been a while. Good connecting. How is your art business? I'm excited seeing you here, sir. I'm excited seeing you here. Okay, so Gauzier said, I'm sorry if I'm taking you for a female or a male. Okay, so Gauzier's goal is master's fee, which is £13,000. So master's fee, £13,000. How can we trade this in 6 months? Let's raise 10% or 5% of this capital. Then we swing trade it. Shadia Labi said to buy a house, 30 million naira. So 30 million naira is 30 million naira. I think that should be $5,000. No, $50,000. Am I right? Yes, $50,000. We need to break that down. How much to learn? I know nothing about it. Just stumble on your video. Okay, so to learn, we have a mentorship program, 3-month program, which is $1,000. Okay. I'll drop our office line so that you can reach out, so that we can get you started. I recommend you go for the 3-month program or you go for the 6-month program. I guarantee you, if you are open, if your mind is open, and you can follow the process, I guarantee you will make money. How can I get your book, sir? Okay. DM the office line, they'll send you the link. It's also available on on Amazon, financial market code. But they can send you a link that you can use to download it. Immediately you make payment. So Mirabel said a house, £150. So £150, can you raise, Mirabel, how much can you raise? So that we can 10x it. Peter said, I want to build an apartment, 130,000. Let's raise 10% or 5% of it. So Gozi said, now I get it, boss. I was thinking I can trade full time. Yes, you can trade full time, but don't trade full time. Do other things. What will you want to be doing 24 hours? No, now. No. Do other things. Do other things. Create ideas. Then trade Forex to generate the idea, to fund the idea. Don't sit to say you are a full-time Forex trader. There are full-time Forex traders, but I feel that you are shortchanging the purpose of God for your life. I feel that anybody who is a Forex trader, who is a full-time Forex trader, who is not doing anything except trading, is not maximizing. It means you are wasting other time. So don't waste other time. Don't waste other time. I sincerely apologize. My team are working on it so that we can be back on laptop some other time. You know, electrical challenges can come up anytime. So Ekundayo says, I want to buy a house, a car, and go into land banking. I need 300 what? Maybe $300, $300,000 for this. So don't do all together at once. Let's do it one by one. This is why you understand goal settings. Goal settings. Number one, set a goal. What is it that you will buy now? You will be happy. So let's say buy a house. So let's go for a house. Don't go for car first. Because the car is a liability. It's not an asset. So go for a house first. So when we go for a house first, then start your land banking. Then buy a car. But if you're a family man, then car is important because you want to move around with your family. But if you are not married, you don't need to buy a car right now. You don't need to show off. It's about you meeting your goals one by one. I know a lot of people, they want to buy a car. They need that car now, but it's not... it's not. The only time I bought cars at the same time, I bought 4 cars one day, and I paid all. It was because I was starting a logistics business, and I paid for 4 cars. But apart from that, I didn't need cars. I only, financial freedom, you have to be smart. Financial freedom, you have to be smart. You have to be smart. Do your goals, work with your goals one by one. Don't just, and do it according to liability and asset. As a matter of fact, let me go a bit personal. I don't like showing off. Sir, do you have a day traders in your mentorship? No, we don't. We have an intraday strategy, but it is after I've mentored you for 1 year that I can give you intraday strategy. Because if you are not mature, you're going to be jumping in and out of trades. Hey, Paul, good to have you, my boss. I'm always grateful. I'm always grateful to learn from you. You're welcome, my brother. Later in the year, I'll do a boot camp to host all of us in a resort. Will you like that? We're going to Dubai. All the members of my community, we're going to Dubai later in the year. Although maybe when we are back, towards the end of, maybe in December, we'll do a get together, 3 days boot camp. I'll host you guys in a resort. You will pay. It's not going to be free. It's not going to be free. But I will pay part. I'll pay part. So let's say I don't know how much it will cost us, but I'm just brainstorming now. So I can host you guys. Everybody will come together. We connect. We create a plan for 2023, and we establish it. So it's like Forex Hangout, something like that. So Anki Anko said, I want to complete my house and furnish it. 5 million naira. 5 million naira, that is $10,000. $10,000. You can do that if you have $1,000. You can do that in 3 months, 4 to 4 months. You can do that. 3 months to 4 months, you can do that. I know some people can do 1,000 to 10,000 in a day, but that's not my wealth ideology. Hey, Mary said, I'm new in channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you for joining. Clancy said, sir, you are real. It's very hard to see people like you. Thank you for the good work you do. Hey, I'm blushing. Thank you so much. I'm just doing my part. My goal is to help 1 billion people have financial freedom. That's my goal. So one of my vehicles is Forex. So apart from trading Forex, a lot of people make money in Forex and they do it anyhow. They spend anyhow. Yes, sir, that would be great. Okay, is it the we go turn up? Okay, I think that's for the boot camp, I guess. Yes, boss, we go turn up. Yeah, wow, yeah, we're doing that. So Gozier said, which broker can someone trade with in UK? You can check out Ugo's Way. Ugo's Way is available in UK. Odd Forex is available in UK. Okay. Odd Forex is available in UK. How can I join your community? If you're already a Forex trader, you don't need mentorship. You don't need tutelage from the beginning. It's $100 per month. $100 per month. Our goal is 5 trades a month. We only go for 5 trades a month. And our goal is to 10x our account as fast as possible. This month, we've only picked AUD Chef and NZD Chef. That's the 2 trades we have picked this month. And already, AUD Chef has given more than 1 to 30. So if you risk $10, you have made $300. If you risk $1,000, you have made $30,000. If you risk $100, you have made $3,000. That is how we trade. So we've only picked 2 trades this month. NCHF, HF. So we are not aggressive. I'm totally new to Forex, so go for mentorship. Our mentorship is 3-month mentorship. We'll take it from the beginning, how to place a trade. And I'm excited if you're new, I'm excited because you will start right. A lot of people have watched several videos that have taken them out of the concept of trading. Okay? So our 3-month mentorship program is $1,000. Okay? And if you are paying today, I'll give you, because you are in this class, I'll give you 25% discount. Just for today, if you come tomorrow, you won't get it. Our usual discount is 20%. We have discount per week. So it's always either 10%, 5%. But today, if you are available, reach out to Bukola on that number. Okay, Peter, you get 25% today. 25% today. I will train you from what is Forex to the end of Forex. You guys have made me to leave our topic alone. You guys are going personal now. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. So I have another question. How many trading calls do you give per week, sir? We expect 1 to 3 calls per week, but in a month, our goal is 5 trades in a month. Five performing trades in a month. I know some of you want 1 to 5 in 6 places, but we want 1 to 30 in one place. How many of you remember when I told you guys about AUD Chef 2 weeks ago? How many of you were on the call 2 weeks ago when I gave you guys AUD Chef? Some people took it and they sent testimonials. I'm happy for them. Some people took it. I'm happy. How many of you were on the call when we spoke about AUD Chef? Yes, even last week, I gave you AUD Chef. I was going to retrace back to the 8-hour supply. Yeah, Chuku, fantastic. Chuku when said I was on the call. So that trade has given us over 1 to 30 right now. That is how we trade. So it's not in so many trades. We look for that one that can give us the money we are looking for. Quite a lot of you were on the call that day, about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, Clestos also said, I remember when you said it, fantastic. So that is how we trade. Last month it was AUD Chef, NZD Chef last month. So we are milking AUD Chef and NZD Chef, we are milking it. Okay, what I wanted to show you guys today was AUD NZD, which is a counter trend trade, and I don't like it. I also gave you guys Euro USD sell and GBP USD sell. Samuel Duma said, I missed that call, but entered personally on demo. AUD Chef and CAD Chef. Hi. So you are making demo money right now, Samuel. Huh? Demo money. Demo money is not good though. Go and fund with real money. Oh God. I can feel you. Yes. Alfred too said he was on the call. So basically, that's how we rock and roll. We are not after, it's a battle between quantity and quality. It's a battle between quality and quantity. So if you go on quantity, I told you that day on one of the trainings, if you are trading quantity, you have to reduce your pair to 1 or 2. But if you are trading quality, you can trade so many pairs, but you will reduce the number of trades per week. That is the reality. Nobody will tell you that one. They will just be selling strategy to you. And it's not their fault. It is the way they are also being sold to. So a lot of things I'm sharing with you, I did not learn it. I did not read it from a book. I experienced it. So I'm teaching you from experience. Okay. So Peter, if you are getting started, reach out to Bukola. She will give you 25%. And I think that is for you alone. 25% of the 3 months program. And the promo ends today. So if you reach out to her, she will give you. And she can even help you on how to get started right. So Sir, throw more light on CHF It's bullish right now because it has broken the monthly supply. So we are waiting for retracement to buy. I did a video earlier today, so go to my YouTube channel. I've explained USD CHF for you. Go and watch today's video. I've explained it. Okay? Good. So today's takeaway, the take home today is identify what you want to buy or what you want to achieve as a goal, as a financial goal. Raise 5% of it or 10%. Look for a strategy that works for you and trade that on it. And make sure you are using risk management. Don't say you have mastered the strategy and you are risking 100% of the strategy. No. Once you do that, it means that you are not wise. So it means that I have, for example, I want to raise $50,000 and I only have $500. So I will first 10x $500 to become $5,000. Then I will now 10x $5,000 to get $50,000. If you break it down that way, you will definitely achieve it. That is how I achieve my personal goals. This project will cost me $100,000. What can I raise to raise this money? So let's say I can raise $1,000. So my goal is, can I 10x my $1,000 so that I can make it $10,000? Then once I meet that goal, I place a withdrawal of part of it to celebrate my ecosystem, my body. I will buy, maybe I can go to an hotel, I can relax with my wife, take my wife out on a dinner or my family out on a dinner, and they're asking me, how did why, I'll tell them I'm celebrating my milestone. Okay? So we eat in a dinner together, we celebrate that, and I come back home and I do come and 10x the next phase. So when you do it that way, the journey will not be complex for you. The reason why you don't have a goal is because you are taking everything as financial freedom. No, break it down to a goal. Now let the goal have a target. Let the goal as a target. Then now raise the capital for that target. Good. So now when you now want to trade it, then you will now build that account using a strategy. You must identify how not to use the strategy. So when you get how to use the strategy and how not to, then you can now do that. So how do I use it with ITC? I have discovered that institutional trading concept strategy, I only need few trades. So with that, I can risk 5% of my account, and I'm willing to lose 5% of $1,000. So if I lose 1% of $1,000, I will be left with 5% of $1,000. 5%, that is 50. That is $200. No, that is $20. 5%. So that means I'm willing to lose $20, which is 5%. Okay? Am I right? 5%. Somebody should help me. So I will risk it. So before I risk it, I know that if I risk that 5%, I am going for 1 to 10 minimum. Some of you, your trade is giving you 1, okay, 5% is $50. Thank you so much. So that means I'm risking $50. My goal is to grow $50 so that I can make $500, which is 1 to 10. So I don't mind losing $50 in 5 places, because I know when I make one, I will make back all the money. But you know the challenge we have? A lot of you don't want to lose part of what you have. And some people, they are willing to lose all, but they are not taking calculated risk. So that is the way everyone that is on this call is right now. We have about 50 people on this call right now. So let's divide it. There are some people on this call, they don't want to lose any amount. There are some people on this call, they are willing to lose, but they want to lose everything. So here is the correction. With my $1,000, I am willing to risk $50, which is 5% of my account. So $50, I'm risking to make 1 to 10. So if I lose the first 3 trades, I have lost $150. I still have $850 more. So I will keep risking $50 till I get my 1 to 10, 1 to 20. And with that, I am good to go. So that is how I can compound. In 2 weeks' time, I'm going to teach you how to compound your account. But this Saturday, I'm going to teach you how not to trade mistakes. I'm going to teach you mistakes Forex traders do with their small accounts. I'm going to teach you all of that this Saturday. So that is the topic for this Saturday. You don't want to miss it for any reason. So Samuel said, I am part of the first category. Good. Good. So it's all about you understanding all this. That, oh, I have $1,000 and I want to 10x it in 90 days. I want to 10x it. So I want to know how much am I risking, how much am I making, and we're good to go. Guys, I want you to use 30 seconds before we continue. Stop right now, use 30 seconds to share this video. Share it on Facebook, share it minimum 20 times. Share it to groups, help somebody. Share it on your Facebook, share it everywhere. For those watching on YouTube, share it. In the next 30 seconds, let's do that. Help somebody to help somebody. Okay, I'll do a full training on goal settings with Forex trading. Goal setting, let me note it down for you guys. I'll teach you. Goal settings with Forex trading. I'll do that. Because a lot of time, a lot of people, what they know is technicals. They just do technical. They draw trend line and they say they want to make money, but they don't create a plan around it. So I'm going to teach you that. And you know it's free. It's free. How many of you have shared? If you have shared, type in I have shared. Type in I've shared, I've shared, I've shared, I've shared. So this is what makes you get better. Once you understand this, you're good to go. Okay? Thank you so much, Gabriel King. Thank you so much, Peter. Thank you so much. Make sure you also like, because of the algorithm. Help like the video. Like and share so that it will help the algorithm to reach out to other people. Thank you. So what have you learned today? Let's round up. Okay. Anna said, I am glad the lights went because I'm learning so much. Looking forward to the ghost. I can't imagine you said this, Anna. You know some people are waiting for the analysis for the week. Yeah. Okay. One of the sockets in the electrical room just started burning. So the electrician will fix it. But thank God, no casualty, no challenges. We're able to detect before it happened. So they have to shut down all electrical appliances right now. Fantastic. So tell me what you have learned today as we round up. So Peter said, I have learned that in Forex, that is where the money is, okay? With a good mentor like you, I can strike it big. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You need a mentor and you can make it work. Okay, so Ovai said, please explain 1 to 20. Okay. Okay. So number 1 is called risk reward ratio. Risk reward ratio allows you to know what you are risking and what you are making. A lot of forex traders don't know what they are risking, and because you don't know what you are risking, it makes you to be fearful of the potential trade that you are in. That is why when you enter a trade, you always carry your phone up and down. You carry your laptop up and down. When you are at work, you are not comfortable because you don't know what you're risking. But when you know what you are risking, before you enter the trade, you can stay away from your phone, you can stay away from your laptop because you already know what you're risking. So that is what risk is all about. So the reward is now what you're going to make. So let's say you have $100 and you are willing to risk $10. It means that you are risking 10% of that account. So you are risking 10%, and your goal should be that you want to make a reward of at least 20%, 20 risk reward, which is 20 reward. So if you do 10% of your account and you make 20 times of it, that means it's 10 times 20. That is 1 to 20 risk reward. So your risk reward is you knowing what you are risking to what you are making. I hope I've answered that question for you. Okay? Go to my YouTube. There's a video I did on risk reward. I learned that putting goals to your trades makes it more achievable. Fantastic. Thank you so much. Smart student. Okay, Samuel said proper goal breakdown. Fantastic. You need to know that. You need to know that. Any other thing you've learned today, guys? Fantastic. So for those that are getting started with our mentorship, reach out to that number on the screen. Bukola will definitely be available to help you get started right. And if you also want to just be in the community, pick our trades, attend our weekly trainings, then you just pay $100 per month. Bukola will also help you. So Samuel said, 1, trade for project. Fantastic. Number 2, fund with 10% of your project amount and trade to meet your goal. Fantastic. Number 3, don't be limited to trading. Do other things. Okay. Yes, that's fantastic. Fantastic. Do other things. Engage. 24 hours is too much to be sitting and babysitting Forex. Don't babysit Forex. Okay. Hope this helped today. Any other question? We have 6 more minutes. Any other question? Tomorrow we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. A lot of people are struggling with, when the market started going up again. Some people chatted me up and said that, has it started going up? I don't know. All those things are attractions so that you can jump in. And those that are jumping now, I'm sure they would have been going through a lot now because the market is down back. Okay, guys. That'll be all for today. Thank you so much. I look forward to your success. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share. Help somebody to share. Help somebody by sharing. That's the only way we can reach out to 1 billion people. And get our goals done. Okay, guys, that'll be all today. I'm sure you guys gained some amazing value, and we'll make it happen. Have a pleasant day. My name remains Owolabi. Peace out, guys. I'll talk to you soon.